Son of a gun. Cut! Awesome again. I've never heard of that. Did you see how good I did that on the second try?
Yeah, but people like the blooper reel.
Okay. Hi, welcome to my kitchen. My name is Melissa, and today I want to show you how to make an awesome buttercream frosting. It's super fluffy and delicious and very versatile. You can use it on cakes, cake pops, and cupcakes. All you need are 3 ingredients. You need unsalted butter, vanilla extract, and powdered sugar. This is an easy recipe that you can make for any special occasion, birthday, or just a regular quarantine day. Let's get started. This buttercream is extremely versatile. You can use it on cakes, cupcakes, mix it into your cake pop combination. Simple, you only need 3 ingredients. You need 2 bars of unsalted butter, which equals half a pound. You're gonna need some vanilla extract. You're gonna need 4 cups of sifted powdered sugar. And we're gonna start by beating the butter in the blender in medium to low speed. You want to make sure that you beat the butter for at least 5 minutes. You want it to be very pale and fluffy. After this has been beating for about 2 minutes, I'm going to speed up the machine. If you have this KitchenAid, you can put it at, I would say a 6. We're going to do that for 3 minutes. We're going to scrape down the sides. And beat it for 1 additional minute. A total of 5 to 7 minutes, depending on how softened your butter was originally. So this is what you want your butter to look like. Very pale and smooth. We're going to start to add the sugar. You're going to do it in half a cup increments. You don't want to put too much, because if you add too much at a time, it'll start to splatter and it's going to get lumpy. So we'll start with half a cup, and you're going to mix it on a medium-low speed until it's been incorporated into the butter. Once you see that half cup was already mixed well with the butter, you can stop the machine and add another half, and you continue to do that until you finish with the powdered sugar. cup that you add of sugar, you want to scrape down the bowl to make sure that all of the sugar is being really well incorporated into the butter. If not, you're going to have a grainy texture, and nobody likes a grainy buttercream. I'm going to scrape down again, and we're almost done incorporating the powdered sugar. We have about 1 cup left to add in. So as the combination starts growing in your actual bowl, you don't want to start the machine right off at a fast speed because the sugar is going to start splattering everywhere. So we're going to add what's left of the sugar. Scrape it down one last time. And now, when you add the last cup of sugar, you're going to speed it up a little bit more, so about a 6 instead of 4. And then we're going to add the vanilla extract and let this whip for 2 minutes on high speed. You're going to use half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. If you want to make a different flavored buttercream, like adding lemon flavor or orange flavor, you can use the extracts, and instead of using half a teaspoon of vanilla, you'll use a fourth and then a fourth of the other flavor that you want to add. If you feel that the consistency of your buttercream is a little too thick, you can add some milk and stir it until you reach the consistency that you want. I personally like this consistency. As you can see, it's very fluffy. It doesn't fall off the spatula, and that's great when you want to do different techniques on a cake, with piping and so forth. It's really good to have a little bit thicker of a buttercream because it'll stay more firm on the actual cupcakes. And when you're frosting a cake, it's easier to frost the whole cake when the buttercream is very thick, because more is less. I mean, less is more. So there you have it. You got an easy vanilla whipped did it in less than 10 minutes. So I have some pre-made cupcakes. Do you want a frosted cupcake?
Yeah.
All right, so let's try out this awesome buttercream that we just finished making. Wow, this looks great. You see how evenly it comes out? It's very firm. It's great for frosting cupcakes.
Oh, I want to try.
You want to try? Yeah, we're going to take a bite now.
I want to try. Me too. That's really yummy.
Yeah.
Well, I want to. Yeah, very yummy.
And
and
there you go.
It's gonna yum.
All right, let's give this a try.
Let's give that a try. Let's give a yummy try. Let's give it a try. Let's give it a try. Let's give it a try. You cutting them. Let's give a try. Let's give it. Let's get it. I don't like cookies. Let's get a try. Bottom one. Let's get it. I like the bottom one, not the top. Let's get one try. Let's get a. Thank you, Chef. What? Thank you, Chef Mommy.
You're welcome. What do you guys think?
Good.
Good?
Yeah.
Is it
I
yummy?
always love to eat this all day.
Yeah, me too.
Ah.
Thank you for joining me, and I'll see you next time in Melissa's Kitchen.